So good day everyone, I am Mario Tabobo, and for today's tutorial video I am going to discuss about the angle of elevation. So our topic for today is all about the angle of elevation. So what do you think is angle of elevation? So when you say angle of elevation, it is an acute angle formed by the eyes or eye level or the horizontal line and the line of sight of the observer when he looks at an object that is located higher than him. So there is a keywords here. When we say elevation, it is an object located higher than him. Okay, say for example we have here a flagpole, and then we have here a person. So in this line, this is what we call the horizontal line, or the distance between the person and the flagpole. And this is the line of sight. So it is when the observer looks at an object that is located higher than him. So this is the observer, and in this line of sight is they sight the object, and between the horizontal line and the line of sight we form a angle of elevation. So in finding or solving the angle of elevation, we can also use a trigonometric ratios. So we have here the sample problem. The A and R state building is 1,200 meters tall. So what is the angle of elevation of the top from a point on the ground 1,750 meter from the base of the building? Also, when we are solving or finding the angle of elevation, first thing we need to do is to draw an illustration, then formulate the ratio of the given measure, then form an equation and solve the solution of the equation. So in this problem, so it states that the building is 1,200 meters, so we can draw a building. And then the angle of sight, so this is our observer, which is the person, and this is the distance between the observer and the building. So it states that the distance between the observer and the building is 1,750 and the height of the building is 1,200 meters. So here is what we call the angle of elevation. So this is our angle of elevation. So let the theta be the angle of elevation, which means we need to find the angle of elevation in this problem. analysis on our discussion, the ratio of the tangent is opposite over adjacent. From the observer, the opposite is 1,200 meters and the adjacent is 1,750 meters. So this is the form of equation. So 1,200 meter over 750 meter is equal to 0.6857. So then we can now use the inverse of tangent, which is theta is equals tangent or the arctan 0.6857. So tan or arctan 0.6857 is 34.44 degree, no? So the angle of elevation in this problem is 34.44 degree.